Hey guys, Mac here. So I just heard a news earlier today that Amazon is entering into sports industry. They are trying to expand its portfolio, and I thought that was pretty fascinating because, as we all know, Amazon is very well known to disrupt many different industries, whether it is a retail industry, supply chain management industry, or a customer service or a user experience industry. It has disrupted many different industries. It has brought groundbreaking, sweeping changes. Also, for that matter, it is very well known to disrupt a book publishing industry as well. And I myself, I'm a great example because I was simply able to tap into Amazon's massive power of publishing, and then I self-published my own book. I even made it even a bestseller. So in my mind, there is no doubt that Amazon may be very well be poised to disrupt this new industry, in this new arena altogether in a gigantic manner. So as I started thinking about Amazon in terms of where it was, where it is today, and where it is heading towards, two thoughts popped up into my mind. The first one was brand creation or brand establishment, and the second one was brand expansion or brand extension. And although you or me may not have a similar brand at Amazon's level, all of us have our own brand, whether we like it or not. And we need to create our own brand. We need to keep on expanding our own brand. That is what I'm gonna share with you. And in terms of the brand creation, right, that typically happens through know, like, trust model. So if you take Amazon's example, right, people know Amazon, people like Amazon, people trust Amazon because of its reliability, its user experience, its ability to maintain that 2 day service turnaround, right? So if you order something from Amazon site through their Prime services, we know that we are bound to get that particular product at our doorsteps within 2 day turnaround time. And Amazon is very well known to maintain that service level agreement. So Amazon has also disrupted convenience industry, for that matter, in my mind. So that is like the first angle, right? The no like trust model. So all of us need to make sure that whether it is your business, my business, or your own personal brand, people got to know you, people got to like you, people got to trust you, your own business. So that's the first angle. And the second angle, right, if you go back to in terms of Amazon's roots, right, all of us started with humble beginning. Amazon also had started with a humble beginning, but it also had solid product idea that people needed. So that is another angle, that you and me need to have a solid product idea. There needs to be a hungry crowd, right? And that's what Amazon tried to capitalize by bringing a lot of innovative ideas. And they also had person like Jeff Bezos who was passionate enough. So that is another angle. So if you are starting your own business as a newbie, you need to have solid product idea to create your own brand. You need to have solid passion. And the third idea is that you need to know how to market it, right? So even though there may be a hungry crowd, if you don't know how to market it, you or me are bound to fail. So in terms of the brand creation, right, that starts with having a strong personality driven, captivating, attention getting website. So your business, your personal brand needs to get discovered, needs to get found on the Google, on the internet, and that starts with having a great website. But many a times, what happens, I have seen most businesses, they try to hide behind the website. On the contrary, your website has to paint your story. It needs to articulate all the nice things, such as who you are, what do you do, who do you do it for, why do you do it, and that has to get painted in a nice story. That is where people will get a first glimpse of know, like, trust aspect, and your website becomes that first storefront. So that's the first idea about creating your own brand, establishing your own brand on the Google, on the internet. And then as I started thinking further, right, in terms of brand expansion, brand creation, brand extension, how can we do that, right? So although you or me may not have the same power, same scale, same reach of what Amazon is doing, right, to our advantage, we have social media. Social media has become an equal opportunity play. It has become like a new playground. Internet has become a new middleman. So we can certainly mimic certain things that Amazon is doing by in our own way, by tapping into the immense power of social media. So even though we may not have the massive reach, massive scale of Amazon, we have at our fingertips the immense power, the massive reach of social media, and that comes in the form of two things. First one is creating your own platform. You do not need anyone's permission today to create your own platform. So that's the first idea in terms of expanding or extending your brand, your business brand. And the second idea is using other people's platform. And what I mean by creating your own platform is that today we have LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. These are all free platforms available at our fingertips, and we need to start building our own presence in a robust manner, in an authentic manner, where you are providing value. You are coming out as an educator and not as a salesman, because people can sense that sales pitch from a mile away as soon as you start getting into the sales pitch. So you need to start creating your own platform. You need to start creating your own social media ecosystem in an authentic manner. And so that's the first idea about creating your own platform. And the second idea is that about using other people's platform. And that comes in the form of being able to take advantage of maybe the local meetup groups, or being part of that Chamber of Commerce meeting or BNI groups, or being able to get a chance to go as a speaker on other people's conventions, events, or being able to get you a chance to become a guest on other people's podcasts. So these are all examples of using other people's platform. And the key thing that you have to remember, whether you are creating your own platform or whether you are using other people's platform, the first and foremost thing that you have to keep on thinking about is you need to deliver value in an authentic manner. So I thought that was pretty fascinating in terms of where Amazon was, where it is, and where it is heading towards. So that can readily apply to us as well in terms of where we might be in the past, where we are today, and where we are heading towards. So whatever gaps that you may have, so for example, if your website is not making you the money, or if you are not able to authentically express your points, if you are not able to authentically build your brand on social media, I can certainly help you out, because I've been there, done that, and I'm doing that even today. So that was my thought for today, that how we can mimic what Amazon is doing in terms of the brand creation through their know, like, trust model, through their reliability, through their authenticity, through their value creation. We certainly have those tool sets, strategies, tactics at our fingertips, and we can certainly take advantage of immense power of social media, and also by using other people's platforms. So signing off for now. Feel free to revert back. I'm here as a resource for you, and I would love to see how we can take your journey, your passion, your vision to the next level for 2020. Signing off for now.